In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with the sales return in Teleprime. As you can see here, on 24th January, return 5 Civic headlights by Mr. Albert. That means the customer are returning items back to us at the rate of 210 per unit. So let's see how we can deal with this. If you're in the daybook, that's not a problem. We can directly switch to the voucher creation mode by just pressing the alternate A key. And we can see all the vouchers on our right, but we cannot see the credit and debit note. We will simply go to the other vouchers, and once we are in other vouchers, we can see all the rest of the vouchers. We want to use credit note. Just remember that if you're confused between debit and credit note, sales is normally credit, so the return of it will be credit note, similar to the sales side, which is on credit side. So return is also credit note. Purchases is debit, so the return will be debit note. So the link with the side of the entry, to remember easily, sales is credit, its return will be called credit note. Just select this and you will notice that it is exactly the same format as the debit note or purchase returns. In fact, in Tele, all the vouchers are approximately of same method, whether it's sales, purchases or other things. So party name is Mr. Albert. If you have other recipient details like dispatch, destination and other details, you can mention it right here. Otherwise, I'll just ignore through it. I'll just keep pressing enter until I see the next screen. Keep pressing enter until you see the next screen. And the ledger account will be sales. But if you want to see how we configured this, control enter. Simply, if you don't have the sales account, alternate C to create it. Sales is the name, sales account is the category, and that's pretty much it. Now the item which we are returning is Civic headlights, right? So Civic headlights, let's choose that. Not applicable, order number is not applicable. And we are returning 5 items at the rate of 210. This makes the total to 1050, end of list. Hit enter and enter and enter. If you want to settle it against a particular bill, you can select against reference, but since we don't have any bill reference showing right here, we will settle it on account. Hit enter and exit through it. Now in the narration, I can just simply copy this one right here and paste it here. Press Ctrl A, and this is how we can book the credit note or the sales return in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.